excited and I take pride to be the first participant in the student edition of the extramural lecture series they did today. I welcome all of you here. Let me take a minute to introduce myself. I am Aarti, a computer science engineering student at KG ISL Institute of Technology. My passion towards the changing technology is vast, and yes, that's the topic I have took today for this series. How technology fascinates and improves me. Let's quickly move on to the presentation. I would like to kickstart this presentation with a small dose of motivation from my favorite personality. And who is that? I'm sure everyone must have known him. Yes, he is Elon Musk, CEO at SpaceX. My favorite quote of him: take risks now and do something bold. You won't regret it. As you can see here, he has tweeted that when sending your resume, please describe a few of the hardest problems you solve and exactly how you solve them. This tweet has a real deeper meaning to sort out the best candidates with real practical knowledge. SpaceX and Elon Musk tools and technologies really inspire and astonishes me. Their actual goal is to reduce the transportation cost to enable the colonization of Mars. And now, this tweet and this particular question is viral and used by many companies for interviews. Actually, I badly wanted to know what computer science and technology precisely mean. I just Googled, and my favorite assignment partner, Wikipedia, just said this. Technology is the sum of any techniques, skills, methods, and processes used in the production of goods or services or in the accomplishment of objectives such as scientific investigation. Sounds more complicated, right? But according to me, technology is just practice. And that's what I have learned this in 1.5 years of engineering. Now, I'm just going to share how I am improving the practice with technology. I can define the whole process with few sequential steps. As the foremost step, you have to be clear with the definition of the problem. Next, just jot down the specifications and requirements to solve it. Next, take a pen and paper to design it. And most importantly, we have to carry out a detailed research and brainstorm. Think about it with a single minded focus. At the last, pick out your favorite information systems and tools which you will be comfortable to work with. I just fascinate with these new technologies emerging and booming out very fast. It really makes a great impact on human, right? It has both advantages and disadvantages, I agree. But learning and practicing to adhere with all these technologies is a time taking and a complex process. I personally feel practicing without giving a long time break will suit good to your memory and knowledge. Coding or programming. Coding is an art. There are accurately 7 major steps which must be followed wholeheartedly in order to code efficiently and elegantly. Firstly, know some tips, follow your own strategies and methodologies, implement it with your full effort, compile it, test it, and develop it in future. And yes, it is as simple as this. All these things are so much valuable to me, which I try to inculcate in myself to become a zealous coder. How to make coding happy and how to make it as a hobby. There are some of the hints which you can develop to begin your coding journey. Start with a humble mind. Be accurate with the basics. Always code by hand. When you type, you can realize your own mistakes. Share and teach coding knowledge you have gained. There are plenty of YouTube resources and sites online to master your skills. Use a debugger to visualize your code and mistakes. And yes, this is just a motivating meme about programming. If you're not tired of coding, you're not developing and you're not doing it right. So it takes time and courage to think out of the box. This is my favorite part. I'm pretty sure that I have improved my writing, blogging, and technical vocabulary skills after experiencing cutting edge technologies. Yes, I regularly write blogs, both technical and non technical, and publish in Medium application. Thus, learning technology and doing projects has also improved me to write and blog well. Test driven development. It's just the incremental approach to a problem with which you can know the knack to solve competitive problems. It mainly involves 3 steps. Write a test case by yourself. Make the test case pass using worst case. Code line by line to refactor it to give an efficient solution. This is a very big thing which I'm in the process of developing. These are the tools and technologies with which I always deliver my time and interest on. RPA with UiPath backs my first preference, and next comes AWS Deep Racer, which is built fully with machine learning. Python and Python libraries like Django frameworks draws my attention. Google Cloud Console and platform and Google products like Google Earth, Google Keep, Sheets, and Docs turns our work so easier and saves us time. Google Colab is very useful for data analysis. JetBrains contains many IDEs such as PyCharm and NetBeans and many other platforms to work on. Anaconda Navigator contains Spider IDE, which is my favorite IDE to work with data science. Jupyter Notebook has helped me a lot to do with my projects. VS Code and REPL.it are always my favorite, which improves the visuals of coding. Competitive programming. There are so much of platforms to improve your speed and complexity of coding. One of the best ways is to begin competitive programming. It's been 6 months since I began to practice few problems in CodeChef and HackerRank, and now I'm able to at least code up to 70 to 85% with a problem. This platform has really teased my brain to ultra find the solution. And yes, I conclude by a quote or a saying said by Alvin Toffler. The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read, write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. This is an apt quote to begin your technical learning. So let's all learn, unlearn, and relearn. Yeah, thank you for having me here, and I'm grateful to everyone for listening to my talk. Hope you will begin your technical journey soon. Thanks again, and thanks to the whole KJISL institution for organizing this event. Thank you.
Thank you, Aarti. It was really, we actually traveled into a technological world, okay? So, you also motivated fresher how to prepare a resume. So, with a solution, we have to prepare it. So, everything was very clear. And thank you, Aarti, for the session, first session. So, everybody, thank you, everybody, for having here. So, thank you. And we'll meet on the next session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.